Hello, YouTube. I want to create educational courses that cover every detail of making 2D cartoons from A to Z. To achieve this goal, on this channel we will start by talking about working with Moho and Affinity Designer. Who knows, maybe we'll explore other programs. I also love Blender, Clip Studio Paint, and many other creative software tools. Please support the channel so I can continue sharing this journey and experience. See you soon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We will start learning animation. But first we will learn Affinity. This is the program for drawing background, the environment for the animation. This sketch can be taken by drawing and taking photos with the mobile, or it can be done using the iPad. Here we will follow the sketch and change it to line art, then change it to nice render with colors. Let's see. Let's start by learning Pen tool. In Victor Studio, Pen tool allows us to follow the hair in the beginning by pressing in the middle of the hair. To get the shape ready, you can add a color and a stroke. Use a corner tool to improve the shapes. You can use a node tool to modify the shapes. To complete the shape by drawing the body. In Tool, when we start by drawing a certain curve, it will start to create a new layer for one. We go to the color circle, and we give it none. And we go to stroke, and we increase the width. Pen tool P, node tool A, we reduce the points of the node tool. According to the need, we adjust the handles. By pressing on Control left bracket and Control right bracket, we make the shape. Down and up, we hide the shape behind the hair. You can make the sketch at the top with lock and make it 30 degrees opacity, then draw on it. It becomes lock. We will use Control left bracket, because we don't want to work with layers, because we will have a lot of layers. Control left bracket will be easier and faster. We need to modify the shape. By using the Move tool, we can modify the shape by pressing Group or Ctrl-C or Ctrl-V, and from these tools we can use Flip Horizontal and rotate it in the right way. Maybe with mouse movements, I will give you a little skew, direct translation. After that, we draw the mouth, eyes, and eyebrows. Pen tool P, Node tool A, we reduce the points of the node tool. According to the need, we adjust the handles. You can enter inside the group and select an internal body. Double-click to select the color of the cutout. Ellipse, then press Ctrl-X. Cat, and press Ctrl-Alt-V to paste inside the shape. We stick the circle inside the eye. And we use another circle. We enter inside the group. And we use the same circle. Ctrl-C, we go out to this shape. Ctrl-Alt-V, it will be inside the shape. Stick inside. And we can use tools, brush, with stabilizer, stabilizer, rope mode, rope length, with path brush. The color, art, ends here. We start after that, in the render art. Control X. With the same technique, we choose the shape and we choose Cultural Alt. V. We choose Blending Mode. Yes. Multiply. And go to second technique. We use the second technique, which is the effects of the shape. We choose the shape. And we choose the effect. Layer effect. We choose Gaussian blur. Let's wipe some lines. No, there is nothing. This is much better. This is better. Let's see the blur. As you can see in this picture, there are many types of shadows and lights that fall on the bodies. As you can see in this picture that I took from a YouTube channel. I took this picture from a YouTube channel, Dunillo. This one, I trained on Affinity. Through this channel, I will nominate a channel. In every video I publish, I nominate a channel for you that you benefit from. Don't forget to follow my channel as well. This channel, I learned the shadow and the light. Here is the light. We draw the types of light here. Then we draw highlights. Then we draw ambient occlusion, the light interspersed with two different bodies. Then we draw the light coming in from another body, and it is from the ground. Now, we draw the shadow on the shape, and with the same technique. Here too, here we have a new technique, which is to erase styles, colors, and parameters. For the layer, press Ctrl+C. We go to the second layer, and press Ctrl+Shift+V. This will erase the colors and the stroke. This is a very nice technique. It speeds up a lot of work. There are shadows under the hair, around the eyes, cheeks, and the skin of the walnuts. We will create a background for the shadow. We will use the artboard tool, and we will use the rectangle for the shadow. To add light and highlight, we need a medium color, not black or white, to watch the color effect better. Then, press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+Shift+V, so there will be a shadow behind each eye. Ctrl+X and Ctrl+Alt+V. So we will get a shadow inside the shape, like this. We will replace these lines with highlights to make it look better. And we will use Gaussian blur, and we will use blending mode, overlay, and we will erase some lines, and it will look like this. Here we will use Paint tool. We will use a color from this shadow color, and we will use stroke none. Use this shade instead of the lines. I will use it as a transparency tool. The light, there is a highlight. And there is the light. Contact, contact light, ambient occlusion. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-Shift-V, this is brush. We make a shadow, then we delete the special effects. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-Shift-V, the eye will appear rendered like this. Now we add the highlight and second shadow.